is Ioannis, I'm 21 and I'm a receptionist. I came to London 3 months ago from Greece with my best friend, my cube, and here I am. For the first time, it took me 9 months when I was in my mama's belly, and since then we've never been separated, and I've been training every day. Me and my cube, we do everything together. She's a great accompany and we always have great times together. My cube, she is everything to me. I mean, we've been through good and bad things, and she's always been there for me. So the reason why we came to the show was because I think me and my cube were ready to show to the world what we're capable of, and she believes in me, I believe in her, so we are ready to break the world record of cube solving. So London, watch out, because here we come. Oh, sorry! What's her favorite color? What's your favorite color? I don't know, none of them. All of them are equally important. Coming to London, it was very difficult without my family, but thank God I had my cube with me. And I don't know what I'm gonna do if we get separated. I love her.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up.